I invite Kevin sir to start the session.
Good evening,
Kevin?
one and all.
Good
So
evening, sir.
welcome to good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Some of these students don't attend morning class. Very strange. We can see some new faces, some forgotten faces coming today. Names appearing in the meet and so on. So, kind request, do attend morning class also. So with that note, we'll go to the class today. So we'll continue where we left in the morning. I had given a homework question. Of course, it is what is called as it won't be uh, justifiable, or it is what is called as um, unlikely to ask the homework question now, because I think you may come home from the school maybe at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. By the time you refresh and so on, it will be already time. So the morning what questions I gave as homework, maybe I take two or three questions, and tell me. So today we'll go with continue the class and we'll continue the same quadrilateral only. Quadrilateral triangle can go on. So we'll take point A 2, 3 and point B 3, -5. Point A 2, 3 and point B 3, -5 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. And C is a point lying on the line L whose equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the locus of the center of this triangle, which is a line which is parallel to which line? That means the locus of the centroid of this triangle ABC is a line which is parallel to which line? We have to find it out. So the question is very simple. They are given, I'll draw a small diagram. They were given the coordinate of A and B, and they're telling that C is lying on a line. The vertex C is lying on the line. The vertex C is lying on this line. And there is, what is this called as a centroid. Centroid is the point of concurrence of the medians. This centroid is a line equation that is parallel to which line we have to find out. Is it parallel to BC or AB or AC or which line? Or is it parallel to line L? So we have to find it. So first we'll take C, they are not given. I'll take C as alpha comma beta. I'll take C as alpha comma beta. And I'll take my centroid as some A comma B. I'll take my centroid as A comma B. Therefore, centroid G A comma B is equal to centroid formula what? X1 plus X2 plus X3, no? X1, what is the X1 value? 2 plus 3 plus alpha by 3, comma, 3 minus 5 plus beta by 3. Correct, no? This is equal to G A comma B, that is centroid G A comma B is equal to 5 plus alpha by 3 minus 2 plus beta. So I'll take the positive sign, beta minus 2 by 3. So this is my centroid. So I got my centroid. So now what they're telling is C. What is this called as? What they're telling? Equation, the line C. vertex C is lying on the line vertex EL. That means what is the line L equals plus 4y minus. So from this, I've taken C as alpha comma beta. Therefore, the equation of C will become as 3 alpha plus 4 beta minus 5 is equal to 0. Keep this equation separately as one. Now from this, I will find the value of my A and B. So what will be my value of A and B? So that means it is like this: G of A comma B is equal to 5 plus alpha by 3 and beta minus 2 by 3. So from this, I am getting my A and B value. So A is equal to 3A is equal to 5 plus alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal to 3A minus 5. And from here, I'm getting 3B is equal to beta minus 2. Therefore, beta is equal to 3B plus 2. That means, what is my alpha and beta? My alpha and beta is nothing but my vertex C. So I am putting this C value in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 will become what? First of all, what is equation 1? 3A plus, sorry,
3 alpha, sir.
3 alpha plus 4 beta minus 5 is equal to 0. So I'm putting this value of alpha and beta in this equation. That will come as 3 into 3A minus 5 plus 4 into 3B plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. If you simplify this one, it will become as 9A minus 15, excuse me, plus 12B plus 8 minus 5 is equal to 0. That will be is equal to 9A minus 15 minus 5 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 8 is equal to minus 12 plus 12B is equal to 0. If you simplify this one, it will become as 9A plus 12B minus 12 is equal to 0. If I take 3 as common, it will as 3A plus 4B minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is my what I'm getting as locus of C I'm getting. So if I take in the form of if I take 3x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to compare to which line this is going to be first I have to find line AB. With the line equation of AB. AB is what? 2 comma 3. B is equal to 3 comma minus 5. C equation I got. C equation they're telling us 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So look carefully. In not of finding AB at all. If you look carefully, here itself you can come to know. AX plus BY plus or minus K something is equal to 0. Which line equation is this one? Line of a parallel equation. Is it happening?
Parallel.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes,
So it is
sir.
parallel
Yes, sir.
to-
Parallel equation.
So the locus is parallel to which line? The locus is parallel to which line?
A,
The
B
line.
line.
The line C.
Centroid.
That is the
sir.
line L.
Yes, sir.
Understood? No. The locus is parallel to line L. So this was asked in AIEEE in the year 2005. So very easy question, but how they are given the minimum thing and they ask the question. Shall I go to the next question? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next question is A 2 comma 3, B 3 comma minus 5. Same vertices of a triangle. The centroid lies on a line. The centroid lies on a line 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. The centroid G is lying here, not C now. Find the locus of C. Find the locus of C. Same thing. C, I don't know. I take C as alpha comma beta. So therefore centroid G, last time what we took A comma B is equal to, what was the last time centroid? Same centroid we're getting now. 5 plus
5
alpha
plus
by 3,
alpha by
Alpha by
3,
beta
three.
minus 2
beta
by 3.
minus 2
Beta
by
minus
3.
3 by
Therefore,
3.
we'll find the value of alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to same thing, 3a minus 5, beta is equal to 3a plus 2. Correct, no? Till here, what we solved the previous problem, same thing is there. Hello? Till here, what
Yes.
we have solved the previous problem is there. Now, from here, the step. Some, please mute your mic. Lot of disturbance. Unless it is asked to unmute, kindly unmute. So, till here it is fine. What we did in the previous step, we are doing it now. Now, what they are telling is, my centroid is lying on the line equation 2x, sorry, not 2x, sorry, is lying on the equation, correct, 2x, is lying on the equation 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. It means my centroid is lying in this line, means my alpha and beta should satisfy this equation. Therefore, it becomes 2 into 3, sorry. So this, sorry, just a minute. I have made one thing wrong. Centroid is lying. So therefore, we no need of finding the value of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta is the value of C. So centroid is lying in this line equation. So this has to satisfy. That means what happens is, the centroid is lying means therefore 2 into, just I'll take little I add this one so that I can get the values for my simplification. So my centroid is lying on the equation 2x plus y, sorry, 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means this equation will become as 2 into 5 plus alpha by 3 plus beta minus 2 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. If I take LCM, LCM will be 3, and if I cross multiply, it becomes 0. 2, I am taking the 2 goes inside. So 10 plus 2 alpha plus beta minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this will become as minus 8 plus 10 is 2 alpha plus beta plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 alpha plus beta plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have taken alpha and beta as my thing. If I take it in the form of x and y, this will be 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the locus of our centroid, sorry, C. Because here I have taken my C as alpha and beta. If I take it in the general terms, x and y, my equation will become 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Yes, friends, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Next question also same thing, depending on the same concept. Point P is the moving on a line 2x. Point P is moving on the line 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Point P is moving on the line 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. And point Q is equal to 1 comma 4, and point R is equal to 3 comma minus 2 are fixed points. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle PQR is what? Locus of the centroid of the triangle PQR is what? Miss, is it parallel? Is it perpendicular? Or it what? Something you have to find it out based on the options what they given. This is asked in the recent JEE mains exam. That is JEE mains 2019, the month of June. So first thing is, we have to find the centroid. I'll take centroid some equation as the same, some alpha comma beta. So let us take it as A and B. Since we are taking from A and B, we'll take A and B. And we don't know the value of P. We take P value as alpha comma beta. Therefore, G of A comma B is equal to, that is 1 plus 3 plus alpha by 3, comma 4 minus 2 plus beta by 3. Therefore, G of A comma B, G of A comma B is equal to 4 plus alpha by 3, that is equal to 2 plus beta by 3. Therefore, I want to find the value of A and B because I want centroid. So therefore, A and B will become as before that we'll find the value of alpha, then we'll come to A and B. So therefore, 3A is equal to 4 plus alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal to 3A minus 4. 3B is equal to 2 plus beta. Therefore, beta is equal to 3B minus 2. So, I got my value P. The coordinates of P are 3A minus 4, comma 3B minus 2. So, I got P, I got Q, I got R. Now, they are telling one more condition. Vertex P is lying on the line. Vertex P is lying on the line 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. That means this point P is lying on this line. Therefore, what happens? 2 into 3a minus 4 minus 2 into 3b minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. That is equal to 6a minus 8 minus 6b minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. That will be equal to 6a minus 6b is equal to 0. That is equal to 6a is equal to 6b. That is equal to a is equal to b. We took a and b as what? We took a and b as centroid. Correct now? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
So centroid is a and b means it is in the form of x is equal to y. So what is the line equation? X is equal to y. Parallel line now. Hey, who taught you basics of 2D geometry, man?
A.
X is equal to y. What type of line is this one? Or what type of line equation is this one? Come on. The entire class is silent.
Intercepts.
Right. Intercept form. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Is it x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 here? X is equal to y. We have solved a lot of
Centroid
problems.
form.
Pardon?
Centroid form.
Centroid form. My goodness. What is your name, my dear student? Centroid form. There is no equation for centroid form. We have got only the locus of the centroid, the point of the centroid. That way we have got only a formula how to find the centroid of the equation. X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is to find the coordinates of centroid.
slope intercepts forms.
Hey, simply telling what are coming to your mind. If you don't know, draw a graph. Very easy. X is equal to y. You don't have to draw the graph, no? X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What type of line is this one? A line passing through the
Origin.
for this one, intercept form, slope point slope form. What all you are telling? You are creating new geometry. All the Euclid, Arya, what is called as Aryabhata, all these fellows will run away from our mathematical world afterwards. So x is equal to y is a famous line equation. It's a line equation passing through the origin. Therefore, my locus of centroid is a line passing through the origin. This question was asked, as I told earlier, in the JEE means 2019 June. A simple question. If you know the answer, also if you don't know the what type of line equation, you can't answer it because option is given like that only. Parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, passing through origin, passing through the slope of positive slope of y-axis. That's all the options are given. So getting answer is not important. After getting the answer, you should be able to analyze what type of line equation is that one. Students, you are still not in the what is called as the understood the seriousness of IIT exams. I am telling very openly. Still, you should come into the seriousness. Still, you are not in the seriousness. Just entire process. Okay, now we come to the next question. Since you are all what is called eagerly waiting for intercept forum, I'll give one question from intercept forum only. We'll do. AB is a line between coordinate axis. Just sliding down is coordinate axis. In such a that A is lying on x-axis, A is lying on x-axis, B is lying on y-axis. If P is a variable point on AB, P is a variable point on AB such that PA is equal to B and PB is equal to A. So P is some variable point. Let us take it as x1, y1. Some x1, y1. Such that they are given the condition of the P. How the P is? The distance from P to A is B. From P to B is A. And AB is equal to. So therefore, the length of AB is equal to how much? Therefore, the length of AB is equal to how much?
A plus B.
Very good. AB is equal to A plus B. Then, what is the equation of the locus of P? I should find the equation of the locus of P. What is that equation of locus of P? So, listen carefully. Very important thing. P is a line on AB. So, if you look carefully, this is origin A and B. This is right angle triangle. Correct, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
what I will
Yes,
do,
sir.
from point P, I will draw perpendicular to both x and y axis. I will draw perpendicular to both x and y axis. So this distance will give me what? Let us take it this, okay. I'll draw the same diagram, it will be bigger here. So let us take this point as P. From here, I'm drawing a perpendicular to here. From here, I'm drawing a perpendicular to here. This is A. This is B. This is here. This is B. This point, let us take it as O. Let us take this as Q. Let us take this as R. This length is B. This length is A. This is perpendicular. Listen carefully. P I am taking x1, y1. Means this length from P to Q. What is the length of P to Q?
Sir, it is Y1.
Y1. What is the length of PR?
X1, sir.
X1. Very good. Basics of 2D geometry. Not even 2D geometry, basics of graph. Coordinate geometry, graph, everything. So now what happened? Look carefully now. Now I'll use the acute angle here. See here also right angle triangle, here also right angle triangle. I use acute angle theta here, theta here. So I'll find sin theta for this triangle PQA. For triangle PQA, sin theta is equal to how much?
Sir, it
Sin theta
will
is
be
equal to how much?
Y1, sir. Y1.
Sin theta is equal
Y1
to
by B, sir.
opposite by
Y1 B.
hypotenuse. That will be Y1
Y1
by
by B.
B. Correct, no? Now, for the top triangle, that is triangle
BRP.
PBR. For triangle PBR, I am taking cos theta. Therefore, cos theta will be how much?
X1 by A.
So, if you take the cos theta of the triangle, what will be? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that will be x1 by.
X1 by A.
So, now I know the trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
sin theta what value? Y1 by B whole square plus x1 by B whole square is equal to 1. So, that will be equal to, this is here, this is here, no, here. That is equal to y1 square by b square plus x1 square by a square is equal to 1. That is equal to x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is equal to 1. So this is equal to, so since we are taking in the form of x1 and y1, we are telling, if I take my point as x comma y, the locus equation, that this will become as a x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the answer. By chance, instead of equation, if they ask what is the locus of point P, what is the locus of point P? Now as the locus of the equation of point P, okay. If they ask simply what is the locus of point P, what you will say, what is the locus of point P? Hello. No answer. I am telling you several times. If you don't know, say don't know. Nobody is going to scold you. Hmm. What is this locus? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Ah.
Don't know, sir.
What about others? We are discussing the class. Bhavana, Navneet, Omkar. Have you solved something called ellipse? Equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse in standard form with major axis on x-axis and minor axis on y-axis. The equation is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Please open your notes and see afterwards, not now, after once the class is over. Kindly open the basics of 2D geometry, not 2D geometry, I think basics of locus. When we took the chapter, we took these concepts. Basics of locus, open that chapter, basics of locus and see. We have taken all these theories. So therefore, the locus of point P is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. By chance, if they ask instead of equation, what is the locus? Then you should write the what type of locus it is. Not only getting the answer, you should be able to say what type of equation it is. Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, just a minute, I'll clear the screen. Next question is, the equation of a line, we have to find the equation of a line, dividing the line segment joining the points 2, 5 and 6, 3, 2, 5 and 6, 3 in the ratio 3 is to 4. The ratio 3 is to 4. Externally and parallel to the line equation and parallel to the line equation, x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. So what they're telling, we have to find the equation of a line joining the points 2, 5, 6, 3. Equation of a line joining, equation of a line dividing the, there is one line dividing this line in the ratio 3:4. There is one line dividing these two lines in the ratio 3:4 and parallel to one more line. X plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. So now first find this point. Like this is A and this is B. Find this point of what is called as a section. Point of section P. So internal, is external division. No, sorry, I have drawn the diagram wrong. Little diagram is wrong. So diagram is wrong. The division is supposed to be external. I drawn in the internal diagram. So A, B. So external division is like this, 3:4 ratio. P. So somewhere it is cutting here. Means my line is cutting somewhere here, and it may be parallel this side or the side, anywhere. That parallel line is line equation is given here. So let us find this point P, the section formula. P x comma y is given by, what is the formula for section formula? For external division,
M into x2 minus
mx2
nx1 by
minus nx1 divided by
x1 by
m minus
m
n,
minus
M2.
n.
and my2 divided
minus n
my2
divided
minus
by
m
m
what
minus
is
n.
just a minute. My2 minus m, okay, I'll write it here only. My2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So substitute the value and tell me the point of section pxy
Minus 10 and 11, sir.
minus 10 and 11. Very good.
11.
So this is my point of section. Listen carefully. So I got my point of section. My point of section is here. My line is here. That is my line. My what is called my parallel line. What is my parallel line? Parallel line equation. What they are given is the line is parallel to x plus 2y minus plus 7 is equal to
Plus
0.
7.
Plus 7 is equal to 0. So what we will do is we will use the concept of parallel lines. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That concept we will use and we will simplify this one. So since already this point of section is brought, so what I will do, x minus 10, correct now? So sorry, since already minus is there, it will become plus 10 plus 2 into y minus 11. I'll take it 0 because already we are getting two constants here. This 10 and 11. So if I simplify this one, it will become as x plus 10 plus 2y minus 22 is equal to 0. That will be equal to x plus 2y is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0. That is equal to x. Okay. X plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0.
0.
So look carefully. This is the equation of my line. The equation of the line they are given is x plus 2y plus 7. Is it parallel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So to cross-refer whether your answer is correct or not. This is one of the method for verifying whether your answer is correct or not. So the answer is x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So will you take one homework question? Dear students, will you take one homework question?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Basing on triangles only, since we are doing on triangles. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay, sorry, I have drawn a wrong triangle. Why this fellow is not coming? Okay, triangle ABC, in which C is a right angle triangle. C is in right angle. In triangle ABC, C is a right angle triangle. A can be here or B can be here. Something is there. And CA is equal to B. CA is equal to small b. CB is equal to small a. Such that the angular points A and B sliding on X and Y axis. So, okay, this is A, and this is B. That means this will be A, this will be not. So, A will be on X axis, B will be on Y axis. So, I am telling the question once again. In a triangle ABC, C is a right angle. The length of CA is equal to B, CA is equal to B, and CB, CA is equal to B, CB is equal to A. So this is nothing. And such that A is lying on x-axis, B is lying on y-axis. A is lying on x-axis and B is lying on. They are telling in different way. A and B sliding on x and y-axis. So I am telling much more simplified manner. Respectively, find the locus of C. Find the locus of this right angle. We have to find the locus of C. So using the Pythagoras theorem and using the concept of this term, that is, they're telling C is somewhere here. They are not telling C is at the origin. C is somewhere there. A is here. B is here. On the x-axis, on the y-axis. So using the concepts, using the problems, what we have done a lot of problems on this intercept forum and so on. So two main clue I am giving. A is on x-axis and B is on y-axis. Pythagoras theorem, intercept form. So using all these things, find the equation. So I am giving the options for you. Option A is AX plus or minus BY. AX plus or minus BY is equal to 0. Option B is equal to BX plus or minus CY is equal to 0. Or AY is equal to 0. Option C is equal to AX plus or minus BY plus or minus C is equal to 0. Option D is equal to none of these. So these are the four options. So can you solve it? I have given the three important clues for this problem. So shall we go to the next question? Question, you understood the question now? The students, do you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please do respond. Sometimes your silence will make me wonder, are you in the class? Are you understanding or not? So do respond. Yes, no, or else repeat once again. No problem. We are here to tell you, teach you. The only time when I scold you is when you don't do your duties properly. That is the only time I scold you. Have I ever scolded you when you asked doubts in the last 2-3 months?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I scold you only when you don't do your work properly, studying and coming. That is even if you don't do homework, also I don't scold. Only when you don't study and come only, the time I scold you. So if you have got doubt, if you are not understanding, please respond. If you understood, please say yes. Since it is online class, this is one problem with the teacher. The teacher doesn't know whether you are listening. Teacher doesn't know whether you are understanding. At least in the classroom, by looking at your face, we'll come to know whether you are understood or not. Since it's an online platform, we don't see your faces, so we don't know whether you are understood or not. So only I'm asking you, just respond. Yes, sir. Understood. No, sir, I don't understand. Repeat once again. No issues. But do respond. Okay, next question. I think already you are into the mood of solving the straight line slowly. I think already some 100 questions we have solved. By the time you reach 200 questions, after 200 questions, tuck, you'll be solving and going. So this chapter will take little extra time, no problem, because a very important chapter. Coming to the point of view of your JE mains also, JE advanced also, if you're writing any other competitive exams like CURT, etc. and so on, all these exams, this chapter is very important. Straight lines. So only we are spending a lot of time. No, I have no issues spending another 2 or 3 weeks on this one. No issues. But already slowly you are coming into the track of solving the problem. Since we already solved hundreds of problems, slowly you are getting into the track. So I want you to get into the track. So slowly you are learning the methods of solving the problem. So next problem is a straight line L is perpendicular to the line. A straight line L is perpendicular to the line 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. Already, when I say perpendicular, you should know what is the transformation is going to be.
Yes, sir.
Line L is perpendicular to the line 4x minus 2y is equal to L and forms a triangle of area 4 square units and forms a triangle of area 4 square units with a coordinate axis. A line L is perpendicular with the line 4x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and forming a triangle of area 4 square units with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of L. So first we will find the perpendicular equation of L. That will become as, excuse me, what is the perpendicular equation of this line? 4x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the perpendicular equation of this one? Hello.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Minus 2x
Sir,
plus 4y
అర్థమైందా
equal
sir?
to
Pardon? English, just a minute.
Not understanding.
There is one line that is perpendicular to 4x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 1. One line is perpendicular to this line.
Slow
There
talk.
is one line 4x plus 2y is equal to 1. For that line, there is one line is my line is, let us say this is one line. For this
Yes,
line,
sir.
my line is perpendicular.
2x minus 4y plus
Just
1 equal to 0.
just a minute, Vignesh. He has got some doubt. We will clarify his doubt will come here. So let us say some
Okay.
line is there. For that line, my line is perpendicular. Let us say this perpendicular line is making a area of 4 square units with x and y axis. This is coordinate axis. So with all this condition, I have to find the what is this called as the equation of this line. This line, what is this is there? No, this lines I have to find the equation.
Hello.
So the first
Hey,
condition they
texting. 1, 2, 3.
the first condition they are given is they are told that this line and this line are perpendicular. This line L line, this line they are given the equation. That line is perpendicular. So what is the perpendicular of if this line is perpendicular? And what is the possible equation of this line L?
2x minus 4y plus 1
One.
equal to 0.
Plus K plus 1 is equal to 0 is
Yeah,
wrong
sir.
answer.
Yes, I didn't
This
constant.
is not parallel lines, it is perpendicular lines. So plus K. Therefore, what happens here is now 2x minus 4y plus K is equal to 0. This is my perpendicular line. So for this line, I have to find the area. So area is equal to C square by 2 into AB. I know this, you don't know this formula, so only I not go for asking the formula. Simply I will get disappointed. So given that area is equal to 4, C value is what? K square by 2 into A value is 2, B value is minus 4 modulus. Therefore, simplifying this one, we will get 4 is equal to K square into 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, plus into minus is minus 16. But if for K square is equal to minus 64, sorry, since mod is there, it is becoming plus, sorry, since mod is there, it is becoming plus. So,
Mod plus, sir.
so plus, therefore K is equal to 64, K square is equal to 64, K is equal to plus or minus 8. Therefore, my equation will become, what is my equation? This equation will become as 2x minus 4y, 2x minus 4y plus or minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x minus 4y plus or minus 8 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You go to the next question.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Did somebody is asking some doubt?
Sir, next question.
No, somebody told hello. That's the reason. By the way, hello is not a formal word as excuse me or sir. Some please, some basic things. Since some of these what is
Sir.
called as sessions are live stream, people will be watching. So let us give some good example for the people those who are watching. So
Kevin,
if you
sir.
have got something to ask, you can ask, excuse me, sir, or else you can just say sir. Hello is not a formal word.
Kevin, sir.
Now we go to the next question.
Kevin, sir.
Yes, Vignesh.
If you don't mind, can you tell me the perpendicular line equation of ax plus by plus c? Is it bx minus ay plus constant or plus c?
Please refer this one in the book. We are given it. I told very clearly, theory things already are given in the beginning. Please refer it. There
Yeah,
is no
sir.
spoon feeding in the class.
Yeah.
With regard to this one, I am very clear. There is no spoon feeding of formulas in the problem solving session.
So I'm just asking, is
I
it
told you
constant
to do
or
the assignment and send me the PDF. Not even single student has sent the PDF of the assignment. I told to write all the formulas, theorems, corollaries, equations, everything, and send me as a PDF to me. Not even a single student has sent me. Almost 1 month is over. So sorry, your request is rejected, dear Vignesh. So there is no spoon feeding now. So please refer the notes and get the formula. The spoon feeding is not helping anybody. So far we have solved hundreds of problems. By this time you should be thorough with all the equations. By this time you should be thorough with all the formulas. But still no effective output is coming. So in this way, I'm sorry to say, spoon feeding is not going to work out here. So if you want to find the formula, please refer the theory what we discussed 1 month back. It's written in your book. I've dictated each theory, I've dictated in the notes. When we're taking the theory session. Okay. We'll go to the next question. Are you ready? Hello.
Yes,
Excuse me.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Some of you are wondering in which world we are there and so on. Next question was same thing. Of same concept only. Excuse me, just a minute. Now, the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the equation of a straight line perpendicular to 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. The area of a triangle is 6 units. The coordinate axis. Find the equation of the straight line. This you can take it as homework. Same thing what we did the previous problem. There is a line perpendicular to 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. And area of the triangle is 6. Area of the triangle is 6 units. Area of the triangle is 6 units. And you have to find the equation of this line. Same thing what we did in the previous problem. Same thing. Take it as a homework. Now next question is line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 cuts the axis at A and B. line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 cuts the axis at A and B. The equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is dash. The equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is dash. As in AI-EE 2008. How to solve this problem? Anybody has got the idea? Anybody has got the idea to solve this problem?
Sir, AX plus
AX plus
4x plus y
3y,
Sir,
0 is cutting x and y
AX
axis.
plus 3y plus t is equals to 0.
Pardon? Hello. Somebody told something, I did not understand what he told.
AX plus by plus c is equals to 0.
That is the line equation. If you analyze this question carefully, what they are telling is there is one line 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Just a minute. Please stop. Just a minute. I'll explain. This line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This line is, what is it doing? This line is cutting the axis at A and B. This line is cutting the axis at A and B. And I should find the perpendicular bisector of this line. That means I should find the line equation of this one. There's nothing but like similar, like the previous question, only they have put little makeup, little what is called as ornaments, and made into little much more dignified way. Little standard was they asked the question. Same question they have asked in little standard wise. In the AI-EE exam 2008. Nothing, you have to find the line equation of this perpendicular and that's all. Nothing more than that. So next question. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining point P and point Q, 1, 4, point P and point Q, K, 3, as y-intercept as -4. As y-intercept is C, has got -4. That means the perpendicular bisector of a line joining these 2 points has got a y-intercept as -4. Then what is the value of K? That means there is a point P and Q. The line joining this point has got a y-intercept. -4. Means like it is coming somewhere. Means the power. That means the diagram is coming somewhere down. So it has got a. Let us say it has got. It has got some y-intercept -4. Point P is here. Some point Q is somewhere here. 1, 4 or something. It will be somewhere like this. If you take exactly like this, the line will be somewhere exactly. Just a minute. It will be somewhere exactly. It will be going like this. 1, 4 and some K, 3. This has got -4. This one. So what they're telling is the line joining this one has got so okay, just a minute. This just a minute. There is P and Q, my line. The perpendicular bisector of this line, has got a y-intercept -4. Means This is my P and this is my Q. The line joining these 2 points has got a perpendicular bisector which has got a y-intercept. Y-intercept means the line which is cutting y-axis. From origin to the distance is called as y-intercept. That y-intercept they are given is -4. If this is the case, what is the value of K? If you look at the diagram, you can easily do the problem. So only I drew the diagram for you to understand how to do this one. So first of all, they are given what? They are given the perpendicular bisector. First we'll find excuse me, PQ. First we find the PQ equation and we'll find that what is called as PQ equations, perpendicular equation, this one. So PQ equation by 2.4 will be given by y minus y1, that is y minus 4 divided by, just a minute, y minus 4 divided by 3 minus 4 is equal to x minus x1, x minus 1 divided by k minus 1. That will be is equal to y minus 4 by 1 is equal to x minus 1 by k minus 1. Cross multiply y
Minus
minus 4 into k minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. To simplify this one, this we will get it as a ky minus 4k minus ky minus 4k minus minus ky minus the process of y minus 4k plus 4 is equal to x minus y, x minus 1. So if you simplify this one, y into k minus 1, y into k minus 1 minus 4k
Sir,
is equal to x minus 5. That will be is
Sir.
equal to, just a minute, x minus of y of k minus 1 is equal to 4k, sorry, plus 4k minus 5. That is, this is constant, is equal to 0. So this will be is equal to x minus y k minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 4k. So this lines we have to find the perpendicular equation. That will be is equal to k minus 1 into x plus y is equal to, let us take it as some what is this called as some constant c, that is equal to some constant, let us take it as some other take as t. So we know that if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this equations y-intercept is given by, if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that equation's y-intercept is given by, what is the formula for y-intercept of that equation? Hello. What is the formula for this y-intercept of this equation? Minus y-intercept of that equation is given by minus
C by B. C by
I
B.
think
Yes, sir.
For you. Just a minute. So it is minus t by, see here b value is equal to 1. So minus minus get cancels, t becomes 4. Therefore the equation will turn it out into my k minus 1 into x plus y is equal to 4. So k minus 1 into x plus y is equal to 4. Now, this is the equation of my what is called as a perpendicular. That is a perpendicular bisector. From this, I have to find the value of k. We know that if two lines are perpendicular, what is the condition of two lines are perpendicular? If two lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? If two lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is equal to 0.
0, sir.
So this is my one equation. My another equation is where? See here, my another one equation is where? My another one equation is, where is that another one equation? My another one equation is here. That is x, okay. I'll write that equation here. X minus y of k minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 4k. This is constant. So I want to multiply. So A1 is 1 into k minus 1. 1 into k minus 1 plus B1 is equal to 1 into k minus 1. 1 into k minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, k minus 1 plus k minus 1 is equal to 0. 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 2k is equal to 2. Therefore, k is equal to 1. So, what is the value of k? K is equal to 1. So, this is also asked in AI-EEE in 2009. We find the value of. Yes, friends, we understand. First, what we did, we took the given condition. Just a minute. First, what we did was look carefully. We drew the diagram. From given points, we found the equation of PQ. We found the equation of PQ. Where is our equation of PQ? This is my sector of PQ. Therefore, PQ and perpendicular bisector are perpendicular. From that, I'm taking this equation, and we know that they are given y-intercept is equal to minus. Sorry, that is y-intercept c is equal to minus 4. So if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then y-intercept is given by minus c by b. Therefore, from that, I am finding the value of my constant t. So I put that equation to this equation will become like this. So I'm getting my two perpendicular lines. From using the concept of two perpendicular lines, condition for two perpendicular lines, A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 is equal to 0. I am finding the value of K. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we'll stop it here today. Tomorrow we'll continue some more problems on the topic. So let us meet tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Students, please join the next section.
Thank you, sir.